Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to add Bitcoin to your Electrum wallet. First, download and install the official Electrum software from its verified website. When you open it, you will be prompted to create a new wallet. Choose the standard wallet option. The most crucial step is to carefully write down your 12-word seed phrase. This phrase is your only backup, so keep it extremely safe and offline. Now, let's receive some Bitcoin. Go to the Receive tab in your Electrum wallet. Here, you will see your unique Bitcoin receiving address. This address is like your bank account number for Bitcoin. You can copy this address and share it with anyone who wants to send you Bitcoin. Always double-check the address before sharing to ensure accuracy and prevent errors. To send Bitcoin, navigate to the Send tab. You will need the recipient's Bitcoin address and the exact amount you wish to transfer. Carefully paste the recipient's address into the designated field. Then, input the amount. Electrum will show you the network fee. Always review all transaction details, especially the address and amount, before clicking Send to ensure everything is correct. Maintaining your wallet's security is paramount. Never share your 12-word seed phrase with anyone and store it in a secure, offline location. Additionally, protect your Electrum wallet file with a strong, unique password. Regularly updating your Electrum software ensures you have the latest security patches and features. These simple steps will help keep your Bitcoin safe and sound.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.